She's just a girl and she's on fire. Hotter than a fantasy, lonely like a highway. She's living in a world and it's on fire.
Welcome back to the channel, gang. And basically what this video is about, if you haven't read the title, I basically clean the shoes that I spoke about in the last video, getting them all clean and ready to sell. So hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, welcome to the channel. Hope you enjoy your stay. So let's get into the video.
What you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away.
So if you're seeing this clip right now, it means you made it to the end of the video. I truly appreciate it. And if you're interested in purchasing any of the shoes that I've just cleaned, make sure you guys stay posted on the website. I'll be updating it and they'll be up on the website no later than tomorrow, and I believe tomorrow is December 6th. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hope you enjoyed the video. If you're interested in me doing more videos of me cleaning or these little Saturday yard sales, make sure you comment it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a great day, and I hope tomorrow is even better. Peace.
Drug as fuck, bitch, you dumb as fuck. Running up the box down.